Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer ink install video. I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink on the HP Officejet Pro 7740. I'm going to take you through here step by step and show you how to install each ink cartridge. Now the first thing you're going to do here is flip down the front panel of the printer. That automatically should bring the print head to the middle. And now you can start getting your ink cartridges prepared to install. Now for your convenience, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some remanufactured versions of this ink. It's going to be a lot cheaper for you, and hopefully that's a resource for you going forward. So this is the first one. This is the black ink cartridge. You saw the back there, and you see the chip. It's facing you, kind of your left hand side when you're installing it. Alright, once it's installed, you're going to make sure that it's locked in place, so you kind of saw me wiggle it a little bit. And you're going to go into the next ink cartridge, which would be the yellow one. And same process here, you're going to push it all the way back, and it should stay right in place. Now if it pops back out, sometimes that does happen, just push it a little harder and it should be settled in place after that. Alright, that's really all there is to it. Now at this point you're going to close everything and go through the process in the printer. Make sure to check out my website and Instagram, all the links in the description below. If you have any questions at all, please comment below as well. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.